What's up, you guys? Justin Sun has gone and spent $15 million. Did he do it on some kind of bored ape? If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, love you guys more than you could possibly ever imagine, and I appreciate the support. Occasionally, we do giveaways here, and if you're new or if you're returning, you're both eligible. Either way, doesn't matter. You need to do a few free things that are fast and quick to do. You must comment down below because we pick people from the commenters. You must like the video, share it, hit the bell and subscribe so that you know about new videos and so that you're also notified that a new video came out. Otherwise, you're going to miss out. And if you get announced, guess what? You won't know the new video came out. If that happens to be a video that we announce in, you're not going to see the video. At least you have a bigger chance of not seeing it if you don't get the hit the notification bell. Okay. Am I as debonair as a bored ape? This is a very important question. There's a poll in the community section of the channel. Take the poll, have some fun. Let me know if I'm as debonair as a bored ape. We got the take the poll over here, letting you know about that. We got my hand up because I want to pinch the cheeks of this debonair. I think I like the word too much. Ape that Justin Sun pumped 15 million smackaroos into. We're going to do a flash round through the news like we usually do. I'm going to have some interesting things to share with you. We're going to check prices and we're going to do our quick, like I said, flash round through the news. But one more thing. Did you know that Tron is now available on Venus.io? It's true. You guys, the build out, the mainstreaming, the scaling, it's happening. It's happening with a combination of media. It's happening with GameFi. It's happening with DeFi. It's going to happen with the metaverse. There are going to be a group of catalysts that when they all meet in that special sweet spot, the moon is going to show. It's going to be up there. The price is going to be up there, in my opinion. And you know what? It's going to be a nice ascend. And if you were involved in TRON TRX a few years ago, you know it was sitting around 4 cents. Well, you know what? If you can double or triple an investment in just a few years, and it's been hovering around 10 cents, 9 cents, 10 cents, you're doing very, very well. But that's going to be nothing. That's going to be small potatoes, small cryptos compared to what the future has in store. Will feel like stars. But seriously, let's get into our flash round through the news. Let's do it, and let's do what we usually do and check some prices too. So I had the prices up before, but this is a few hours later. I recorded the video in different parts, and we're going to go over here and take a look and see. We got $57,449.99. I think I actually just had BitTorrent and Tron on the previous screen, so that's what we got for Bitcoin. And let's see what we got. We got Cardano at $1.56. We got Tron sitting at, where's Tron sitting? Where is it? 0.097. And we got BitTorrent at a beautiful, wonderful, where are we? Almost there. Got everything else along the way. Maybe I passed it. That's what happens with off-the-cuff videos. I passed. Here we go, and we're going to move on in a minute, you guys. We got 0.0031. So, Binance CEO reveals one key factor for token listings. One key factor. What could that key factor be? Let's check it out and see. So, we're going to go take a look and see what he has to say. The CEO of Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange by volume, has disclosed that's some information on how to get listed on the trading platform. The most important criteria for listing a cryptocurrency on Binance is the number of users, says CEO, also known as CZ. The CEO, CZ, said in a Forbes interview on Monday. CZ went on to say that there are many other factors like the number of active addresses on blockchain, social media audience, and code commits. However, the number of users is a key metric, he said, adding, if a coin has a large number of users, then we will list it. That's the overwhelming significant attribute. Consider, for example, meme tokens. Even though I personally don't get it, if it's used by a large number of users, we list it. We go by the community. My opinion doesn't matter. So it's like I always say, mainstreaming is king. Why is that? Because the more people that use something, whether it's a crypto or something else, the more power that something has. So all the mainstreaming that's going to take place with the metaverse, with NFTs and everything else, GameFi, DeFi, it's going to help hugely, hugely, hugely to get things cracking. And before you know it, you're going to have Tron and BitTorrent listed everywhere that you all want it listed at. Just be patient. According to Binance's listing tips from its CEO, the number of users is just one of many factors for listing a token on the crypto exchange. If you have a large number of users, your product has value. That's the easiest to measure. Do include the user statistics in the application form. It will help significantly. The CEO's statement on Binance listings reads, according to Sergey, founder of crypto listing focused platform Listing Help, major crypto exchanges like Binance don't need to list minor tokens as they earn mainly from trading volumes rather than listings. Of course. By the way, it's a good article if you want to read the rest of it. Cointelegraph, I always share my sources. We got Bitcoin cools from 1 week highs with key long-term metric echoing 44K. So I haven't read this article yet. I will say that, and if those of you that know, that have been watching my videos, that are subscribed and watch all of them, I was saying for a long, long time before the market crashed earlier in the year that we would be stuck between 30 to 45K range bound for Bitcoin, and that we wouldn't really surpass that, and that we'd stay there. So I was proven wrong on that one because we flew over it. However, it looks like it's going to be hard to maintain it. And when I saw something like this, I'm saying to myself, well, was I overall right all along? Not really, because it did go higher. It went into the 68 some odd thousand. However, if we end up in this 45, 44K trap, we're going to be closer to what I had anticipated, which is I don't foresee 100K until maybe the first quarter of this coming year, 2022. But that's okay. And no, I always say this, I'm not bearish, I'm bullish on Bitcoin. So before you guys, start writing the bearish comments, I'm not at all whatsoever. I just think that it takes time. However, let's see. I'm very happy. If it does it sooner, I'm as happy as the next person. So a bullish engulfing enters on multi-day charts as BTC price action manages to preserve some of the Monday's gains. But I do like good prices on trades. I don't like to buy high. If I can buy lower, of course, nobody does, right? Bitcoin returned to cement higher support on November 30th after the latest BTC price comeback halted near 59,000. Data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView showed BTC USD reversing to local lows of $55,920 on Bitstamp overnight. So, the pair then recovered to circle 56,500 at the time of writing, with analysts keeping the faith on the higher time frame strength rather. Popular Twitter personality TechDev noted that Bitcoin's stochastic relative strength index, stock RSI, had reset to levels that, yes, some say stotch, some say stock, and I like to make fun. You can go ahead and have at me. So let's go. Bullish engulfing printed on stotch, stock, RSI cross, with the RSI reset to 44K levels. He summarized alongside the 3-day chart. Bitcoin's late strength Monday coincided with a return to the forum for macro markets and the news that Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey had quit the company to focus entirely on Bitcoin activities. He's chasing those coins. He's addicted to coins. Can you blame him? Some are addicted to oil. He's addicted to coins. All right. Kraken Exchange defies competitors' regulatory concerns with SHIB listing. By the way, you can check it out, Cointelegraph. I didn't finish the article. I usually don't. That's where you go. Back to Kraken. The move comes in contrast. Well, what is the move exactly, you might say? Kraken Exchange defies competitors' regulatory concerns with SHIB. So, basically some regulators, some places get concerned and some places don't get concerned. It's one of the reasons why Tron got delisted from eToro, which in the earlier video I said is really no big deal. But some places react differently than others, and they want to pull the plug and then maybe, unpull that plug once they feel more comfortable with what the regulators are coming at them for or not coming at them for. So we got here. United States-based digital asset exchange Kraken has announced it will begin supporting the viral meme Shiba Inu as of November 30th. They're not chicken, they're not afraid. What do we got next? Bitcoin network settling an average of 95K for every $1 in fees. You know what, guys? That's some good processing. Nothing wrong with that. Thank you for watching. Hope this finds you healthy, happy. We're out of time for now, and I'll see you on the next video.